May 15th, 2022. Dear Dad, I got you this notebook today. I thought you'd like it. You gave me one just like it that you journaled in during your cross-country trip. It was the one I had gifted you before you left. You've been gone nearly 5 days now, and I thought since I can't call you anymore to talk about everything on my long drives home every night like we used to, maybe I could write to you about it all here. These last 5 days have been hell, the hardest days of my life. May 16th, 2022. Dear Dad, I have so much to tell you. Before you passed, I had a trip planned with Bree, a small 2-day road trip. After you passed, I was unsure if I should go through with it. I barely had the energy to walk, to eat, to speak, let alone leave the house for 2 days. But I also knew that on the road is where I'd feel the most connected to you. So I packed up my bags, threw a mattress into the back of my Prius, brought your guitar and your CDs, and hit the road. And I was right. The whole car ride, it felt like you were right there in the seat beside me with your bright blue eyes, smiling and watching as your spirit lived on through me.
That gives the ouchie.
I still feel a little guilty about leaving, but I know that I'll miss you no matter where I am. So why not miss you from your favorite place, the road? Bree keeps telling me you might need some time up there to breathe before you come back. I know life up there is much less chaotic than it is here. Take your time. But also, hurry back, because I really miss you. If you're wondering how my trip went, I drove north to Forêt-Waro for a hike and then went back south a little to Saint-Agathe. We parked in a parking lot by the lake and cooked dinner, tortellini.
Ah! Jesus Christ! Things on Sundays are not like Sunday, Monday. It's for big days.
Before walking around and heading to sleep. I slept a full 7 hours. I couldn't believe it. This morning we took a dip in the lake and went to a coffee shop, which is where I'm writing you this. The lake this morning reminded me of you on your road trips, taking a dip in the water, maybe the ocean, on the west coast. I love you, Dad. I miss you. I feel like we were almost the same person in 2 different bodies. Life's going to be hard without you.